Good morning. It's Monday. Market's been open for about 2 hours now. So this is where we're at right now. I drew these out, balance areas. So I trade balance areas. That's how I get in and out mostly. So just from all the way back from last year, these are the big balance areas, and you can see there's 9 days, 17 days, 6 days, 20 days, 24, and so on. But these ranges are pretty good size right here. And this one's not so big, but it's only 12 days. This one's about the same as that, 14 days. Now this one here, this is already at 17 days. This is where we're at now, and the range is so tight right here that there's a lot of day traders that are complaining because there's not really much that you can do in this area. And besides, the market's been going down and then coming right back up towards the end of the day, and that's been happening right in the last week. So this market's, I believe, is ready to pop, and it might happen this week where it starts breaking out of this range. But something's got to happen here. This can't keep going on. So anyway, I've got my put options in here, and basically I'm not really trading a lot with this because I'm just waiting for this to break. And like I said, I believe after 17 days, it's already been over 2 weeks, and this market should start making a pretty good sizable move right now, either up or down, and I believe it's going to be down, and that's where I have my money. So as far as a day trade goes, going to the 30-minute chart here. So you can see as the market's starting to trend down a little bit, still nothing to really write home about. I don't see any day trade here so far. So just going to have to wait to see if it starts breaking down into this area and then eventually start breaking down. But I'm not sure when that's going to happen. Guessing probably this week, because like I said, this trend is getting pretty long, and it's the range is really tight. I think it's only like 60 points. Let's see. Yeah, about 60, 65 points. There's not a lot of range here, and it's getting stretched out. So nothing on the ES. This is pretty unusual. Like I said, you can't really see, or you can see, like in a longer term charts, that this hasn't happened before, where it's been stretched out this long with this tight of range. So it's going to pop, and it sounds like it's probably going to pop pretty big, whatever direction it goes in. So I'm waiting, and there's nothing else I can do except I just have my put options in here, and I'm just waiting for this thing to go down. And so far today, nothing, even if it did break down today, from here, there would probably be a nice retracement back up before it came down again. So I don't expect a lot happening today. It would be pretty unusual for that to happen, but this is unusual circumstances here. So anything can go at this point. Okay, so that's it for today. Short video. Like I said, just sitting there waiting, and there's a lot to be said about patience, especially in this environment right here. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow.